Initiating lift. All systems green.
Roger that. Holding course. Speed nominal.
Ascending at 5 feet per minute.
Keep it steady. Descent is good. Copy that. Proceeding with caution. Main lift is secure.
Readings indicate adjustments required on the port side wing.
Initiating laser realignment.
Status check green on the tail fin.
Confirming final measurements.
We're seeing a heat signature in this region.
Analyze the thermal data.
Confirming, it appears to be an active vent.
The signal is strengthening.
Adjusting the primary hydrophone array.
Confirmation. We have a solid lock on the target.
Check your buckles, divers. Gear looks ready.
Ready, sir?
Ready.
Straps look secure here, checking my connection now. Status on bags, they're unfolding well, steady pressure, ready to initiate lift.
Initiating lift. All systems green.
Roger that. Holding course. Speed nominal.
Ascending at 5 feet per minute.
Keep it steady. Look out for the rail. Securing the starboard bag. Watch the balance. Almost there. Almost there. The balloons are holding it steady. Watch the starboard side.
Keep it steady. Descent is good. Copy that. Proceeding with caution. Main lift is secure.
Keep it steady. Monitoring structural integrity.
Holding the line.
Ascent is green. Proceeding with caution.
Hold the descent steady. Copy. Lowering now. Engage secure points. Slow, controlled tightening. The chains are holding well.
Good, let's move it inside.
Roger that. Moving in now. Almost there. Positioning the crane now. Copy. Approaching the dock.
The laser projection highlights the extent of the corrosion here. Note the density of the barnacles at the wing root. I'm documenting the tail fin's structural integrity.
Keep it steady. Look at the corrosion on these lines.
Got it. The cabling is in worse shape than we thought.
Be careful with that section. Yeah.
We have it. Slow and steady.
Check the diagram for the next steps. Verified. Proceeding to rack B. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Confirmed. Section 4 clear. Perfect. Lowering now. Keep it steady. Look for any stress fractures.
Running the diagnostic now.
The tolerances must be exact here.
I've got the new piece ready.
Keep it steady. Looking good.
Make sure the alignment is perfect.
Almost there, just a few more passes.
Carefully. It's seized here.
All right, I've got it. Look at the corrosion.
Keep it tight around that rib. Got it. And align the connector carefully. See the light? See the light? Good. Now test the next bundle.
Check the tolerance on the main shaft.
Adjusting the calipers now.
Line it up there. Steady, steady, we're almost there. Monitoring pressure, looks good. Right, tightening the mounts now. Keep it steady, that's good.
Yeah.
Ready to tighten?
Yeah.
Just a little more. Perfect, locked in place. Keep it steady. A little to the left. Just a fraction, right there.
Lock there.
Locking in. Perfect, done.
The stress test results look positive.
Good. Let's proceed with the next section.
The tolerance is perfect.
Let me cross-check the specs on the screen.
Verified. Moving to lubrication. All right, slowly higher.
Right.
Perfect. Check the alignment, please. Smooth movement. Looks good.
Keep it steady. Watch the alignment on the left.
Just a fraction higher.
Engage sequence initiated. Confirmed. Looking good.
The alignment is perfect.
Verified. Attaching the final bracket now.
Line up the rails carefully. Affirmative.
Check alignment. Left side secure.
Verified. All fasteners are tight.
Green lights solid.
Power's online.
Readings stable across the board.
The data looks good.
Excellent.
Excellent. Ready for the next pass here?
Yeah.
Just need a bit more smoothing on the edge.
Keep your arm steady, even passes. Monitoring the finish, it looks good, nice and smooth.
The final pass should give it the perfect mirror finish.
Adjusting the light to check the reflection.
Looks flawless, ready for inspection. The finish looks flawless, as expected.
Check the engine nacelle readings, please.
Okay, ready on the left?
Checking the seal. Adjust the right side just a bit. Looks perfect. Engaging locks.
The diagnostic sequence is initiated.
Verifying phase 2.
Status check complete. Looking good.
Readings indicate adjustments required on the port side wing.
Initiating laser realignment.
Status check green on the tail fin.
Confirming final measurements.
Readings look stable.
Let's check the fuel injectors.
Main systems are nominal. Verified. Moving to diagnostics.
The alignment grid confirms the fuselage is perfectly centered.
Excellent. Let's verify the wing angle measurements.
Keep the angle low, emphasize the engines.
Adjust that key light a bit higher, please.
Just checking focus on the landing gear. Looks good.
The structural integrity tests confirm a full return to operational status.
Excellent. Let's send the final clearance report.
Status check.
Systems are nominal, leader. Checklist complete.
She's flawless. Couldn't have done it without the team. Just need a final check here. Hooks are secure. Roger that. Ready for tension. Lifting confirmed.
Parameters are good.
Adjusting strap 3.
Stabilized. Proceed.
Keep it steady. Down just a little more.
Secure the forward mounts first.
Check the tension on the main straps. Looks good.
Front secured. Confirming checklist. Hydraulics engaging. Tensioning rear chains now.
Checking stability on the starboard wing.
Coordinates are correct, slow and steady.
Affirmative, maintaining pace.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Positioning the cranes. Ready when you are. Almost there. Lower a little more. Clear the hook.